Have you seen this advertised on your social media account? Then this is my unboxing and testing of this device. So I purchased this on Aliexpress online shopping app. This is desktop USB JetFan, an inspired design of an airplane engine, with humidifier and a red light effects, though you have an option of a blue light color also. Inside the box are some accessories, and these are this syringe. At first I'm confused why and how this medical device used on a desktop fan. Well, let's check it later, and I will show to you the purpose of this accessories. And of course the USB to Type-C cable. And these two pieces of lock, or I may say stopper. And the manual is not included. I've just noticed that the device has been damaged. The arm was broken, and I need to put a glue immediately as to prevent for further damage. Then the screws are rusty. Though that's a minor problem, yet isn't it unacceptable if you purchase this around €60 and this is what you get? And this is the purpose of this two pieces of lock, to raise the fan in a proper position, though you can use only one piece. So now let's familiarize the buttons. This knob is to control the speed and the light effects. This knob is for turning on or off the light. And this knob is for turning on or off the fan function. And since I did not put water on it, humidifier isn't working yet. Notice that tiny hole. That is where we can put the water. That is why they included a syringe, because only a needle type can be fit on that hole. Since I have a water-based scented fragrance, then better to add this instead of water only. And by the way, for me, I suggest it is better to use a filtered water, to avoid the heating system block and get malfunction because of those particles or residues if you use the normal tap water. The water tank capacity is up to 50 milliliter. Well, in my opinion, it's a bit expensive, but if you have the means to purchase it, then why not? Design-wise, it's unique. Adding the light effects and the humidifier purpose, it makes it perfect. I just hope that when you purchase like this, the seller must pack it well and safe, because in my case it is not acceptable. Just a reminder that this is not a battery-operated device. And that's it. If you reach until this video, thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe, as well as your comments is highly appreciated.